Hello guys, today I'm going to do something on coding. I'm going to code a calendar for January 2021. I'll start by there at the title. I'm going to type calendar, and then in the body I love to start with this div. Div plus, double click there. Then I will start with container. Then we close that one, and then another div class. So for this one I love to, for class I love to type month there, month, and then so the month we are in January 2021, so this one I have to use polled. So poll, for polled type strong, that's for polled, and then between strong I'll type January, and then I'll have to break it, so not in the same line, so I'll have to break it, enter, then another strong for 2021, in 21. So now it's okay. So I'll have to insert a table, so I'll type table there, and then the table row here, and then I'll start with th for the days of the week, th. So table horizontal I'll use th. So we have 7 days in a week, so I'll have to copy this one 7 times. Control copy, 1, 2,
but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now.
Saturday. So and then I'll have to do another table row for table row for the table data, that's for the dates. So I'll start another table row, then enter. So I'll start td, that's table data. So I'll have to do it this one also. I'll do 7 times. I have to copy 7 times. So It's 22nd and third way. Then I'll have to copy this, all of this, copy. I start another table row, so I paste it there.
I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright.
Second, fourth, fifth.
In the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold.
So I'll have to clear this. Same goes between this one. So it's that one. Maybe I'll have to space this one. Here. And here. Here's where. Here's where. So it's now okay. So I'm going to do some more changes here. But first, we'll have to see how this code looks in our browser. So I'll use Chrome here. So you double click on the browser. I'm using Python, so my default browser is Chrome. So it's now okay. The calendar is okay. So I go back to the program, and then I'll have to do some more changes on the Outlook. So I have to adjust some parameters here. So starting from the head, I'll have to insert style. You double click the style, and then I close this way, enter, and then I'll have to start with the body. Double click on that, Alt Shift, click on the bracket, enter. So for background, I'll use forest, maybe forest green, aqua. I'll use aqua for the background. Enter. So for the container, so I'll have to look on the maximum width, then I'll use 800 pixels. Enter. And then for the margin I'll use auto. Enter. And then for the font family, I'll use sans serifs. Okay, enter. Then I'll add it there. Then I'll start another one for the month. So for the month, also we'll have to make some changes also. Text align for the month, I'll use center. And then for the background, I'll use purple. maybe bubble, maybe I'll use navy. Navy is also okay. So and then font size use 2.5 em. And then for letter spacing, I'll use 1 pixel letter spacing and pixel. And then padding. But first, for the color, I'll use white. And then after color, I'll have to see some padding. Padding, I'll use 25 pixels. For the month, 25 pixels. And then for the border, I'll use 1 pixels solid sky blue, 1 pixel solid sky blue. It's here already, so click it on that. Okay, so we're done with the month. So I love to see also on there to look on the table th and the td table, comma th, comma the td. Now double click on that. So the bracket. So for width, I'll use question 100%. So width is 100%. And then for the table layout fixed. And then for the text align normally center. And then for the font size I'll use 17 pixels. And then for the border collapse I'll use collapse. So and then border itself, I'll use 1bx solid sky blue, sky blue. Okay, and then I'll also have to look on tr and th and td. So tr and th and td. So tr, comma th, comma td. Double click on that. You hold shift, you click on the bracket, enter. So I'll see something on padding here. So for padding I'll use 15 pixels. So done with TRTH and table data. So and then something on table data itself. Table data. So on table data background. maybe I'll use table data. I'll use maybe something like green. Green is okay. And then we have to look on, but first just see how it looks on our browser.
Is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and
So I'll have to refresh. So it's now better. So I'll have to adjust the color. Maybe for this one. So on the browser, this is how it looks. So I'll change that color to red. Maybe that background here, aqua. Maybe I'll use red. Red maybe. So let's refresh to see how it looks. Refresh it again. So now better. So maybe I have to do something on over. So before first. So when you move your cursor through your calendar, see it doesn't sense what's on the calendar. So I'll have to add this table data over. So I'll add it here. TD over. So table data over. So background, for background, when you move your cursor around your calendar, be able to see this orange color. So maybe we can refresh to see now it looks. So you can see now when you move your cursor, you're able to see the dates well. That orange background. So this is the end of our tutorial. For more, make sure you subscribe.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now.